What a smell.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make mac and cheese, and I bet you will be better than your grandma. It's my first time making mac and cheese, so let's see how it comes out. You don't trust me? Follow me until the end. I always keep my parsley in paper so it doesn't ruin. Paper towel around, and I'll change it every 2 or 3 days, and this will keep in your fridge for 2 or 3 weeks. I always have something like this where I put all the scraps so I don't make a mess in the kitchen. We will keep these, we will dehydrate them, but no waste food on this channel. I really want to show you how to cut parsley. We roll it out, then we twist it, then we go with a really sharp knife. Put it in here with some paper towel. You press so the humidity goes out. Cheddar cheese, extra sharp. Our shredded mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, butter. Add your flour. Add your milk. Slowly. But if you want it to be easier, boil the milk on the side, make it really warm, and then put it in there. Bring it to boil, add some salt. This is the right consistency. A little bit of onion. Some butter. Our bechamel. A little at a time while you whisk. Some Parmesan. Perfect, guys. White pepper. So we don't change the color of the sauce. Always salt the water. Shell. And let it cook for half the time with our cast iron pan on. Our pasta in. All over it. Mozzarella, Parmigiano. And this, guys, is another game changer, breadcrumbs. Parsley on. Play it nice, dude. My favorite moment came. This is my mac and cheese, guys. I guarantee you it's better than your grandma. Look here. Look here, what beauty. Huh? It's good for real, huh? This is delicious, guys. I never tried a mac and cheese before. And, down below you will have all the recipe and with the quantities, so go to check it out. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next meal.
Play it nice, dude.